March 13, 2025, Dear Pioneers, Pi core team just announced. Announcing Open Network PiFest and new feature allowing phone number change with KYC. Home, blog, announcing Open Network PiFest and new feature allowing phone number change with KYC. As Pi's the Day 2025 approaches, this Friday, March 14th, Pi is celebrating with the first ever Open Network PiFest to connect pioneers with local merchants. With the full support of open network connectivity, PiFest is here to put the spotlight on local commerce utilities and showcase Pi's real-world use around the globe. Also, a new feature has been released that allows KYC-verified pioneers to update their full account phone number in case their phone number changed or is outdated. Important reminder of the Pi policy of one account per person. Any exploit of this feature to transfer accounts to others for whatever reason will result in the inability of the original owners to participate in the future Pi ecosystem, and the new owners' failure to verify their ownership of their acquired accounts for major events such as migration of Pi due to additional name matching and liveness check mechanisms. PiFest facilitates local commerce utility at Open Network. PiFest is an opportunity to celebrate Open Network's new level of accessibility and expand Pi's real-world adoption on a global scale. Pioneers engage in everyday transactions and commerce with local merchants that accept Pi. From small businesses to large service providers, PiFest continues to bring communities together, empowering pioneers to engage with genuine Pi commerce and help build utility in the ecosystem. So, whether you're a merchant looking to reach new customers or a pioneer eager to explore the expanding world of Pi-powered shopping, PiFest is your chance to take part. Pi Day 2025 PiFest Merchant Registration and Event Timeline. Merchant registration opens Wednesday, March 12, 2025. PiFest begins Pi Day, March 14, 2025. PiFest ends Friday, March 21, 2025. For full details about the event and how local merchants can join, visit the PiFest registration guidelines. New feature: full phone number change for KYC-verified pioneers. Pioneers who have passed KYC can now update their full phone number after completing a liveness verification test. Previously, pioneers who registered their account with an incorrect or outdated phone number had no way to edit the entire phone number. Allowing pioneers to correct their phone numbers will help them log in, receive verification codes, and securely manage their account. To prevent unauthorized changes, this feature requires completing a liveness verification test that validates whether the update is requested by the same person who submitted and passed the KYC application before updating the number. Note: this feature should not be exploited for account transfers or sales. Pi has a strict policy of one person, one account. As a result, if you knowingly and intentionally transfer your KYC account to others, then you will not be able to participate in the Pi ecosystem in the future, because none of your future Pi accounts will be able to get verified. Your future Pi accounts will be identified as duplicates because your identity and KYC data have been already associated with your original account. It is important to note, each pioneer is responsible for their account, use of their account, and access to their account. As such, if you knowingly and intentionally provide access to an unrelated party and they conduct illicit or illegal activities using your account, you may be held responsible for their activities. In addition, if law enforcement seeks information regarding your account, you will likely be a focus of their inquiry, which may result in law enforcement actions against you. For any receiver or buyer of others' accounts, you may end up not being able to use the acquired account from others because future major events such as the migration of Pi may require additional liveness checks or name matching. Since the acquired account doesn't have your name or your KYC data, you will not be able to pass such checks before future migrations and important network events or benefits. Do not transfer or sell your Pi account under any circumstances. Eligible pioneers will see a change option next to their registered phone number in the profile section of the Pi app. If you do not see this option, you are not eligible for this feature at this time. Previous post PiFest is back, celebrating Pi commerce in the open network era. Start mining. Easy as Pi. Download Pi white paper support, and then, invitation code, Kwangdong 153.